What's up, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jasmine, and welcome back to another HTML 4.01 tutorial. This is episode 2. Last time this is the basic structure we had for our index page. Here we have our very basic title tag. I'm trying to use my finger like you guys could see me, but anyway, where we have this on top. Last time I did not show you what this would look like in a browser, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to launch it in Internet Explorer, just to show you what it'll look like at the top of a page. Ask me later. But if you look, it's a very blank page, but up here in our tab, HTML 4.01 tutorial. Just that's where that goes. Alright. In this episode, we're going to go over something very basic, how to get text on a page. Now, there's multiple ways to get text on a page. We have our head tag, or H1 through H6 tags. Each one of these are different size headers. So if we type hello world and then H1, that is your basic head H1 tag, which is basically a header. And then of course, if we were to do the same thing here, enter, enter. And for those that don't know what I'm doing, I just simply control C, which is copy, and now I'm control V, which is pasting these over and over again. Now, we can easily go in, now, enter, H2, H3, yes, this is not the fastest as other people do, but unfortunately I'm not as fast as everybody else, but I can get it done, and I'm great on back end. By that I mean functionality and making things work that other people just can't. Of course, we got our H6. Now, my question to you is, before you see the rest of this video, which one of you think, or which one of these do you believe are going to have the largest text? Because each one of these are pre-formatted. So when you view a page, your very basic font is going to be 12 point black times New Roman. These head tags keep that same principle, except they change the size. Which one do you think is going to have the largest text? H1 or H6? Well, keep in mind it's going to show up in this very same order on the web page. Did you make your guess? What? Microsoft? Get out of here. Okay. There you go. H1 is your largest tag. That is how you get basic text on a page. Now, there is another tag. We call it the paragraph tag. It is simply P. And of course, you close it like the other tags. Just like that. The paragraph tag is an unedited, unstructured place text on a screen tag. It does not change the effect of the text unless you tell it to do so. So if we were to save this and run it, you see it's at 12 point black font times New Roman. Just basic as you get. Now, there's another tag called block quote. What this does, you're like, what did he just do? Is it will kind of add borders to the text so that it won't just go across the screen. It'll do something similar to text wrap. So now if we run this, you notice rather than going right here, it gave it padding. That's the whole point of block quote. It gives it some base padding. Whereas, as you see with the paragraph and all the others, what? No. Let's just rerun it while I'm talking. They started on the very left of the page, as far left as it goes, whereas this one gave us padding and it extended the page. So a block quote is when you look at those articles and you see little text that is by itself in between the two large groups of paragraph, that's generally going to be a block quote, because then you can just style it that way. But you really don't see block quote a lot. Anyway, that is how you get very basic text on a page. Now, of course, you could just type text. The problem about doing it this way is that if you wanted to individually change the color of that text, it would be a bit more difficult. It's better to, and more proper for validation and optimization, to place it inside of your paragraph tag or one of these tags. Generally, these are the tags you're going to be using: your H1 through H6 and your P tag. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this episode, teaching you how to get very basic text on a very basic page. I will see you next time. Have a great day.